I bet many of you are intrigued by the benefits and potential side effects of yellow dragon fruit. Also known as pitaya, this tropical delight packs a punch with its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sporting a sweet flavor, its vibrant yellow skin conceals a treasure trove of black seeds nestled within the juicy pulp. Yellow dragon fruit enjoys quite a reputation among health enthusiasts, offering endless possibilities for culinary experimentation. From crafting refreshing salads and smoothies to concocting jams or pickles, there's no shortage of ways to incorporate this fruit into your diet. However, experts advise that to fully reap the benefits of yellow dragon fruit, it's best enjoyed in its fresh, unaltered form. What is yellow dragon fruit good for? Dragon fruit, a member of the cactus family, may strike you as peculiar at first glance. However, you'd be astonished to discover that it's packed with essential vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, and C. Not stopping there, it boasts a rich array of nutrients including iron, phosphorus, calcium, and various other minerals. Its flavor resembles a blend of kiwi and pear, accompanied by a delightful, refreshing fragrance. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable health benefits of yellow dragon fruit. Once you're acquainted with these advantages, you're bound to develop a newfound appreciation for this remarkable fruit. Let's dive in and explore its wonders. 1. Good for the digestive system. Yellow dragon fruit is a good tonic for your digestive system and bowel management. It reduces constipation and improves digestion. Yellow dragon fruit contains fiber that maintains your bowel health and provokes it. It has been proven in many studies that fiber is necessary for your digestion and abdomen-related issues. There are very few fruits available that include fiber in sufficient amounts. Still, we are lucky that nature has provided an excellent fruit with 7 grams of fiber in each piece, and that is excellent news for those seeking a natural remedy for their stomach. 2. Helps to control blood sugar level. Yellow dragon fruit is a good option for diabetic patients. Its high amount of fiber reduces bad cholesterol levels and helps to control your blood sugar level. Its low glycemic index is its plus point in controlling diabetes. It also helps to prevent getting affected by diabetes, so if you are not a sugar patient, then also eat this. Yellow dragon fruit is less in carbohydrates, so that health-conscious people will love it. Research done on rats showed that dragon fruit decreased insulin levels. 3. Prevents cancer. Yellow dragon fruit contributes antioxidants and distinctive compounds known for their anti-cancer properties, effectively thwarting the onset of cancer. This tropical gem is brimming with potent antioxidants such as phenols and flavonoids, renowned for their cancer-preventive abilities. Numerous experts affirm that the abundance of antioxidants in yellow dragon fruit positions it as a viable option for combating cancer effectively. This assertion holds weight as many anti-cancer therapies incorporate antioxidants sourced from specific plants and fruits, harnessing their healing potential. 4. Promoting weight loss. Hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which is present in the yellow dragon fruit, has been proven to support an improvement in the body's capacity to burn fat. In addition, HCA aids in lowering the body's storage of sugar, which can assist regulate blood sugar levels and aid in preventing weight gain. Yellow dragon fruit is the ultimate gift of nature, with excellent health benefits without any side effects. You can eat raw, peel off the skin, and eat this. Its creamy texture and sweet taste will make you feel good as well as you can deliciously consume several nutrients and minerals. Add this fruit to your regular diet and get the surprising benefits and advantages. Choose always healthy and always stay healthy and happy.